Chad, what is up, guys? Welcome back for New York session NFP special. Time to get it, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for this one. We are going to be diving right in just because of time limits here. So obviously we've got NFP coming out in 30 or 15 minutes. So okay, guys, what we're going to quickly run through for you guys, I'm going to be watching gold. So just straight off the bat, that is what I'm watching now. So if we look at dollar, guys, you're going to see this one here very quickly. Dollar has been going down the whole day. Okay, let's just make sure music is good. All right, so dollar's been having a little bit of a fall off the whole day. We had a little bit of pullback again to retest the daily pivots and daily EQ and continue down. So now we had this over here, this big gap fill. So first things first, we all see this gap over here, very clear to everyone. But now, first thing, I don't believe that gap's going to be filled. Reason being, I think honestly we've been talking about it for a while. This can be the bit of a pullback for the dollar. So dollar really could see its fall coming now, and reason being, guys, we had all these big movements. Dollar tried to make its pullback for a while. This can be the area of rejection for it. So literally today, that's why I say if NFP gets that big push down, they need to be breaking under here. Okay, they need to be breaking here to test and continue down. If they ever want to, they can have that fight back later on, but that is my opinion on what I think on the dollar. So clearly, what does that mean for NFP? I am bearish on the dollar, so I am bullish on gold. So I'm going to give you the run through quickly on gold. Reason being, so technically, let's look at it. Gold's been trading higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Big thing, technically, we had our rejection of this area. This was very important, guys, in the longer scheme of things, for this to happen on Wednesday, for us and allowed to close over there to have this NFP. So for those that aren't fundamental, guys, if you can look at Jerome Powell and all these guys, what do they want? They want to obviously keep the hearts, keep raking hearts and keep it moving forward. But to do that, they've got to a point. So what happened with FOMC? They had to almost have a bit of a fake. So they've said they're having a hawkish pause. But when you look at all other data, that's leading that interest rates need to be slowing down. So for them to carry on raking the hearts, what needs to happen? Dollar needs to show weakness. That is the bigger plan. I always talk to you guys, when you think fundamental, you need to think of the bigger plan, the bigger future. It's not, you can take the pip today, but they're going to call you checkmate tomorrow. That's what fundamentals are about. So what's going to happen, what I would love to see, and again, I'll explain to the guys here quickly, what happens with NFP and why it's such an important one. NFP sets the tone for the rest of the month. Okay? And literally next month being December. So we all know December is the massive ones, the big daddies of fundamentals, CPI and NFP. But what we need to watch out for is, again, this is all going to be part of lining that up. So what happened last week? We had the other unemployment claims come in. They came in higher. Now that's the thing with NFP. You have unemployment rates come out with NFP at the same time. We need NFP to come out higher. Okay, that's what we need. So let's just have a look here quickly. We're going to go over to Forex Factory. What are they expecting? Where is Forex Factory? We need to just see what are these guys expecting. Okay, why are we over there? Okay, so they are expecting, we came out way higher at 336. They want to drop again. So as long as we come out higher, guys, they want to drop, we wanted to go in higher. Okay, that's very simple. Now if we get that higher, we need unemployment rates to come out lower. Okay, those are the two to get a perfect result where we see these fundamentals where it just shoots one way. That's what we need. We need NFP to come out higher, unemployment rates to come out lower. If NFP comes out higher, unemployment comes out higher, that's where we start seeing that manipulation in the market. Okay, so that's what we need to be careful for. But again, we're going to act out for both of them. That is why, guys, when I say to you we trade news, yes, we trade it. I don't back away. I don't go climb under my pillow and cry till news is over. I'm here, I'm going to trade it, and I'm going to make some money. But that's why we purely don't enter beforehand, okay? So what did I say this morning session? I said we have tested Asia lows, we've tested EQ, we've tested pivot, we've tested Asia highs. What did I want to see? I wanted to see us test Asia highs, even the weekly pivot, break back beneath, which we did, and literally stay in this zone, which we are doing now, okay? All we need to see now is I don't want to be seeing breakouts, okay? That's where things are going to start getting. I want us to almost pull back very shortly. So let's just see the 5 minutes. I want a little bit of a pullback on this. That's me personally. Again, I want gold to go up. I'm going to repeat myself on this. Do not enter before news. There's a pattern we are going to wait for afterwards, okay? If you enter before news and it does go the other way, guys, again, you've got two pairs of very important information here. So you can't really, you can study, but if one goes out, you're going to get a manipulated market, okay? So I'm telling you again, do not enter before the trade happens. It can wick. We've got a setup. We know what we're looking for, right? So don't get FOMO. Don't be all scared. Oh, I missed the move. If this thing shoots up, very, very simple. All we are going to wait for is that if this shoots, we want something like this to happen. With a massive wick. That's all we want to see. Then the minute this closes on the 5 minute, we will buy to go fill the wick, okay? That is literally what we want to see, guys, okay? But I am bullish. I would love to see this turn bullish. If it turns bearish, we get the same thing. I will still execute then the sell. But I want to see bullish momentum from gold, okay? So you guys know what I'm looking for. You guys know where I'm standing. We have got 6 minutes to NFP, guys. I hope you are ready for this one, alright? But guys, we are now at 150 viewers, only 27 likes, guys. Come on, let's get those likes up a bit here. We do this for free. I take the time. I could happily sit and trade NFP by myself with my friends. But I'm giving you guys the energy. I'm giving you guys the information. So all I ask for on your side is you guys drop a like. Okay. Tino, hi guys, welcome. GJ, hi Keegan, Mr. Jojo just entered the buys. What explanation of it? Well, an actual explanation on results versus market results. Thank you. Such a pleasure, guys. What about Nas100? What was it again? No, if it's a buy on gold, it's still a buy on Nas. Yeah, so if I'm buying gold, you can buy Nas. On my accounts, I'm not going to trade Nas. So same thing, but again, don't enter before news release. I've given you the candle we want to look out for. So again, I'm just telling you my bias on what we want to wait and what we want to see. But I'm not telling you to enter yet. Typically from what I've seen is market loves to wick both sides before making its final decision. Clear out those stops on both directions, take your money and pop. Okay, so again, reason I said I gave you that. When that happens is when you get mixed data. Mixed data being NFP came out higher, unemployment rates came out higher. That's mixed data. We need unemployment rates to come out lower, NFP to come out higher. You get that one-shot momentum. When you get the wicks, it's because your data came out mixed. Nas100 analysis. Guys, I'm not going to be looking at Nas. I'm telling you, it's obviously linked to gold, but you can do with that as you please. Pump those likes up, boys. It's free. Thank you for your sacrifice, man. W's. Looking for a sell or a buy. I'm looking for a buy. But again, waiting for news to come out first, guys. Very, very key thing I'm waiting for. We will have a look at Nas quickly. Nas, I still think can buy as well, guys. 100%. So, technicals, Nas can also buy very nicely. US30, same thing. The daily, US30 can have a massive buy. Nas can have a buy. So, yeah, everything is lining up, guys. Lining up very, very beautifully. Gold's taking off a little bit early. But it's not gonna change my mind at this point in time yet. We still have our game plan and we're gonna stick to it. So let's see, guys. Whew. Am I the only one, guys? Like, even though there's a game plan, I still always get so excited for these type of trading days. I love it. I really do love trading like the CPI and NFP. Again, not sitting here gambling, putting my trading beforehand, waiting, but putting your knowledge to the test. And again, as I say, like seeing and knowing that this is gonna be something that is just gonna shoot in one direction it's so crazy. So let's see, guys, can we get the call? Let's see what happens. Remember, guys, we are not taking the trade straight off the bat. We're going to wait for the 5-minute candle to close. It's going to sell. Well, it can. It can, my brother. As I said, this is a news event, guys, so you can do as you please. We are not trading the news release, as that is why things can always be mixed data that can come out differently. Again, NFPs, if you want to say NFPs, probably why we say the biggest and the hardest one to, if you want to say, predict, because NFP sets everything in place for the rest of the month. So for example, whatever happens with NFP can give you a very good idea of what's going to happen with CPI. So that's why CPI isn't actually that hard to understand, where NFP is the first big daddy of the month. So there's a lot where our NFP is a bit of the harder one. But as I said, guys, it is there. J Money is live on Instagram. Oof, is that man gonna sit through another $1 million drawdown? Let's see. Will there be a large correction price? Again, that correction and manipulation is when there's mixed data. So that is all dependent on if there's mixed data, guys. Who's this? There's news, guys. What has happened? There's the buy, guys. 3, 4, 3. I flippin' told you. There's your buys. Three, 4, 3, baby. Now let's see if we get that pullback, guys. Let's see if we get that pullback. Can we get the pullback? Just patiently wait here, guys. Come on. Can we get the pullback? Come on, give it to us. Give it to us. Oh, watch how this candle closes, guys. All about it. Still looking for the buy. I am still looking for the buy, guys. Again, I did call this for you. I gave it to you. I told you I was going to buy. This, I can tell you now, was beforehand. There, 14.25, so that was pre-market. There was clear data. I can already tell you that now. No mixed data today. One shot to the top side. I told you that's what we were looking for. I gave it to you guys again. 3, 4, 3, guys. There ain't no luck to this shit. Can we get the pullback, guys? It's all we want, the pullback. This thing is just going now. Yeah, sure, yeah. So, did you sell, my brother? Let me know how that sell went. The elevator music slaps. Guys, I promise you, hey, I really want to play different music, but I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted. Because all these other things that say, like, no copyright, and then we get copyrighted. So I promise you, I really would love to play other music, but every time they're like, oh, I know copyright, and we get copyrighted. Yes, we're waiting for news to come out first, so what? For news to come out first, so it left us. Yeah. No, but the thing is, guys, if it moves, it doesn't happen, but this is the safer thing. If you entered that beforehand, as much as there is, I would have told you, something would have happened, you could have got basically mixed out. It's just one of those things. So if we can get our play we want here now, I'll still be very, very happy with it. Where should we expect the pullback, guys? Literally, I'd love the pullback to like 1992. I know that seems like quite a bit, but I'd love that. I'd be happy with that. So basically 2 minutes, 1 minute 40 seconds to see if we get the pullback. US30, Nas, they are lights out. DXY is in the ground. Can we get a pullback here, guys? Let's see. Can we get the pullback? Past phase 1. Thanks, Keegan. Such a pleasure, my brother. Such a pleasure. Told you guys, we are not here. We are not demo traders. We actually know what we're talking about. We got to make money. So as long as you guys rock up, I'll always be rocking up for you guys. Just failed my funded account on Nas. Damn. How did you fail? Were you one of the people that tried to sell? You know, guys, we can all sit here and I can give you guys calls and you do the opposite. So firstly, I don't know why you watch here if you clearly don't think I know what I'm talking about, because you don't listen. So I honestly, then I don't feel sorry. I actually don't, bro. But then I hope you just learn for the next one. Why the pullback in 1992? Yeah, guys, that's no, there's no pullback there. We just have to wait for something more. But yeah, bad idea, irresponsible. Should place a buy stop at 1992. So the only reason, well, more of a buy limit at 1992, because I have to come back to you. But it's just because that is a high area and key level. I think it was actually. Let's look here. Yeah, this is just a key area I had marked out. Previous day's highs. So you could have come down and wicked that one again. But unfortunately, guys, this thing looks like she's going to run. So don't necessarily know if we will get that re-entry on gold. Why would you trade the candle? Counter trade strats. Keys are used to those casino groups. Lol, if you don't learn, you can't earn. Shard, same here, bro. That's crappy. I made 7 times 7,000 on Nas thanks to you. Such a pleasure, my brother. What do you trade usually? I do US30, US100 and gold mostly. So I do all 3 of those as well, but I do currency pairs in London session. Yeah, guys, so unfortunately, you know what, if you were one of those people and you jumped the bird, jumped the gun there, I think you may be up, you'll be getting a trade there. But as of now, gold, I don't see a little pullback coming as of yet. But there we go, guys, it was called for you, it was literally explained to you guys. So if you lost money and did your own thing, Ash. What is your win rate for New York session? Well, at the moment, I think I'm on a 7 or 8 win streak again. Keep the live on, please, bro. Wow, amazing, thanks. To what level will gold go? Keeks, did you get in? Nah, bro, I didn't. I told you guys I wasn't trading that. I told you it's gambling if you got in before. So I don't see FOMO, because again, as I said, this isn't luck. I've done this 3 times for you guys again, so I don't know when you're gonna start listening to me. But we called it, so I don't know FOMO. The next one I'll call again. I will just wait till I get the cool pullbacks and I can get the entries that I want. End of the day, we are still up very high for the week, so it's been a good week overall. Keep up the great work, man. I did my trades, but with a 55 point TP on USD and Nas100, I lost out on big money, but thanks, still made 1.5% on 3 accounts. That's awesome, guys. Yeah, bro, like that's the thing you have to understand with these news events, bro. You can make massive, very, very quickly. So I actually would even set a TP on these type of accounts if I was you. Like if you trade in this, I wouldn't set a TP. I would literally give it like 5 minutes and then I will close. So for example, if you gave this 5 minutes, you still closed pretty high at the top, and if it had the pullback, you still could have held, because if this gave us the pullback, you could have actually re-entered and climbed to do the wick fill. But again, you'll always learn for the next one, guys. You guys made me confident on my trade, so thank you, bro. Best streamers. Really appreciate it, my man. Really appreciate it. 182 viewers, guys. Only 92 likes. Come on, guys. At least get those likes to 150. I did learn. Many thanks, Keys. All good, bro. We still got massive news events coming up. I think we got CPI next week or the week after that. I think it's next week. So trust me, we will go again, guys. We will go again. Yo. So bleak, guys. I actually would have loved to got this trade with you guys, but you know what? It's fine. Things happen. But it was called for you. My FX account, it freezed. Keep the great work, and I did give a thumbs up. Awesome, bro. There's other red folders at 4. Ooh. So I know your Forex factory, it's yellow. Economic, we only got 1, so we got the PMI. So PMI also gonna be quite juicy as well. So that one we can still keep an eye out for in 20 minutes. If I may ask, do you do trading for a living? I'm new. Yes, I am a full-time trader. Design, no audio. Bro, what you mean no audio? Give all the great works, bro, at Keeks. Really appreciate it, my man. US30 and Nas starting to drop off. Ooh, that's interesting. I wonder what's happening there. Maybe your entry comes at 3:30. Oh, my bad. TV mute. Nah, all good, bro. Yeah, we definitely could still get the re-entry, guys. I actually want to look around here. Thing is, we are back above the 2000 level, so we could even hold this 2000 now. So I just want to see Maybe we can get a nice entry around here. Not really much levels here at the 2000. I just want to drop down to lower levels. So on the 1 hour we've got quite a bit of price action, obviously off the 2000. Yeah, okay, we are quite far away again since we're there. Yeah, the thing is, guys, we don't have a lot of price action off here. That's the thing. Nothing I'd be like, oh damn, I'll take a trade off that. Yeah, maybe, guys, we'll have to see what happens. But because I would just technically be trading off a psychological level, which I'm not too much of a fan of right now. But yeah, still looking for a trade. I'm not sure, bro. I'd have to see if we can start maybe building a little bit of price action. Then maybe, yeah. Bang after banger, I'm gonna enter with you. Looking forward to it. Hit the weekly open price. The weekly open, I'm pretty sure. Are we weekly open? No, weekly open is at 2006, bro. Yeah, weekly open is basically like 2006, 2005. So we are not at the weekly open yet. BBMA daily bar setup. Well done, Keegs. Big ups to you, bro. Appreciate it, my man. OG Gaming. Hey, guys. If anything, we might be able to still get a little bit of a nasty little bar on PMI. On PMI Nas, sorry. But I'm just worried with the PMI coming out very soon. Did I miss anything? Well, bro, we called the NFP, but some of the guys jumped it, some of the guys got in. But yeah, we called this big move over here, bro. So called it. We went 3 for 3 with the calls on the big boys. Now we're just trying to see if we can get a re-entry somewhere. Yo, this thing really has just like taken off, eh? Can I put this one on? It's something that's been played already. Hey, there we go, guys. Let's change up the music.
You all act like you're special.
We're gonna change up the music, yeah. Bit about, guys. I got it in at 1994. Should I hold, bro? I would hold the hell out of this thing. You got in 1994. I will hold, my brother. To Jay. I'm not sure. Does anyone know what he was calling and what he took? Maybe he was on the stream, guys. Then he took the buys as well. But there we go, guys. He called a buy in US30. Yeah, so then he's in profit. There goes gold, guys. He's going. Yeah, maybe we got J Money lurking here on the chat, taking some tips, giving him the signal that's buying US30. I wouldn't be satisfied, guys, if it's anything less than 5 million. Bro, if you don't know who J Money is, keep it that way. Your life will be so much better without knowing that. Yeah. Chris. Sibalele wants to know, are we friends with Mad Charts? We are best buds with Mad Charts. It's only love for that, man. Yeah, you blocked Jevin. Jevin got into a fight with him. Being a bad influence. No, the US30 is still going. Neville, Sean, welcome, my boys. Ooh, maybe we get in on Nas, guys. Maybe we get on Nas. A little naughty one there. Dollar is still going down quite a bit. Nas going, US30 going. Do we enter? Can't enter on that one, guys. Can't do that. Ooh, gold's turning around. Yo, can this be our pullback? Can this be the pullback we are looking for, guys? Finger looking good. You know it, guys. There's little snacks in between. Can this be the pullback? Is dollar turning around? Ooh. I would say, guys, you gotta be patient. Maybe this is our pullback we were looking for. US30, Nas. Ooh. Looking good. Maybe this is the pullback. We just gotta have a little bit of faith here. What goes up must come down. A gold buy re-entry around 1996, 1993 won't be a bad idea. 100%. I would love a re-entry if this thing can turn around. I would love that. So let's see. With TB at 2013, guys, my thing is just, so if this can close, even pull back to 1992, as I said, like, obviously if this can go somewhere to even, yeah, I'm happy, let alone go back to this zone, even just till, yeah, that can be your thing to continue upwards later. So yeah, that is just me personally. I would love a nice pullback now with this amount of momentum to continue bullish later on. As you say, we do still have some other news coming out now, so can definitely throw things around a bit. So don't worry, we are hanging out. We're gonna see if we can get something here, guys. We are not in any hurry here. $15, it's looking good for a bit of rejection. The thing is, why, guys, this is off the R3, and like I said, you got this 2000 psychological. So my thing is, if this can break below the psychological level of 2000 again, then it can go all the way back down for that retest. But if it starts holding as support, yeah, obviously then we can just see that continuation come in. So at this point, it is just a waiting game, guys. US30. As I mentioned, if dollar does start to turn around a bit now, then US30 will start to have a bit of rejection as well. But again, guys, I am bullish on US30 and Nas. So again, it can just be a bit of a pullback. If anything, again, could have a pullback all the way to where market news came in. You could have it back to the Asia highs, as Asia highs are untested. So you can have something like that and then just continue all the way back up again. All depends on dollar. Dollar looking like it really wants to come back in. As I say, gold there starting to retest that 2000 level. So this is where we need to see now if it can break below or if that starts to hold. That's what we got to keep our eyes on, yeah. Otherwise, gold can turn around to go give us that retest we want. So all just a patience game now, guys. All just a patience game. How probable is it that price will come back up if it goes down? Very, very probable. Very, very probable. I've seen this lots of time, guys. If you look on the higher time frames, a 15-minute candle, I've seen it so many times where you get a big candle like this and you get literally almost no wick type of closure with that full body, and you start getting something like this now, it will start to drop off after that. So literally, if this 15 can close like this, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a big pump back down again. So that's why for me, I'm watching gold. It just looks most likely to have that probable pullback. Dollar closing bullish, so dollar is trying to make that fight back. Same thing, if dollar starts closing above the low here, these little candles, we can start seeing that pullback. even back to the weekly key level. Same thing, remember guys, dollar has traded down the whole day. Yes, it got the push down because of news, but dollar can just now have a quick influx to go back to test weekly key levels, support levels, even back to Asia lows, because literally that's Asia lows, guys, all the way up there. So, which again is untested. Weekly pivot untested, daily EQ literally were tested first thing in the morning type of thing, and then not again. So you definitely can see that pullback come in. And obviously dollar again, dollar gets stronger, US30 and Nas should also pull back. So as I said to you, I wouldn't be surprised if we see that pullback come in now. And in 3 minutes you've also got PPI coming in. So again, you can have the pullback. PPI can either be the influx of that pullback, or this can be the pullback, a little short-lived, and PPI will push it back to the top side. But I think dollar, again, if dollar closes below 2000, there I'm very safe to say you're gonna have the pullback. Chris had the call of GBJPY and I held from that point. No, that was GJ was a very, very good trade. So we spoke about it. The reason Chris took that trade and he was happy with that trade was purely, guys, because obviously GJ wouldn't be affected with the news coming out now. Where, for example, we were looking at UJ would have been affected in news. So yeah, it is just 2 minutes till PPI comes out now. Let's see what happens. Round 2. Nas as well, it went crazy. Come on guys, 200 viewers, 115 likes. Can we get those likes to 150? I only see news coming out at 4. Yeah, 4. Oh shit, no, it's 2 to 3. Shit guys, I'm thinking it's 2 to 4. It's 2 to 3, yeah. So, damn, okay, never mind. News coming out at 4. Sorry guys. I don't know why. Like, I was seeing the time, and for some reason, I think it's because normally we start at 3. So 4, but yeah, sorry guys, that's my mistake. I'm just getting mixed up with the times here. But then either way, as I said, if this on gold closes like this, then you're golden to see that pullback. I really think so. Because then, if anything, you can have the PMI now, pull it back. I mean, news, just normal pullback, and PMI can give that push back up again. It's PMI keys at 3:45 and 4 p.m. Best shit on YouTube, honest and no bullshit, 100%. That's what we want to do here, guys. There's no jokes, no playing around. We want to give you guys the best here. That's why I messed up, forgot you were going to start early. Yeah, bro. Literally started early for NFP. Keys, another guy that you might want to possibly interview in the future is Dane van der Mast. He seems to be a good trader as well. Not sure if you've heard of him. No, I haven't heard of him, bro. Where's he from? Obviously South African, but where's he from in South Africa? Okay, looks like they slowly starts coming that pullback, guys. I want your opinion. I have Hanko Trade. What do you think about Hanko Trade as broker? I've never heard of them. I can't give you. I've literally never heard of them. DVD M markets. 10 a.m. red news USD PMI. Yeah. So we're just going to chill, guys. Like I said, you probably could have got a sell here as well now. There comes that pullback. I already said I'd want to see this now. The pullback, even to 1992, I'd be very, very happy with that. What is dollar doing? US30, please. Yeah, we're gonna go over now. $2,640 shorting gold. Thanks so much. Pleasure, bro. Nas having a little bit of a turnaround. US30 gold. So yeah guys, for me with these pullbacks, you want to be looking, I think, more on the 15. Thing is, as I said, this 15-minute for gold did close back above the 2000, so that's one little thing I'd be worried about, but everything else does look good so far to me. These pullbacks can take a bit of time, but yeah, that is just the one thing for me, that it did close back above the 2000. So I think, yeah, we just have to watch the first 5 minutes. If they can start really building some momentum again, then gold is good. US30, the thing is, you closed like that, but it did close bullish. If this closed bearish, I think you could have seen a bit of a turnaround, but that did close bullish. Nas, on the other hand, had the bearish one, so I'd be a bit more worried on Nas's side. US30, same thing, I mean, dollar. So yeah guys, just gonna have to keep an eye out on what they do. Yeah, literally just have to keep an eye on what they do. But I am liking the idea of the pullback, guys. Looks like we are getting that pullback. There she goes. Are you in a trade right now? I'm not, guys. I can't get the entry, so for me, I'm literally gonna wait still, as I said, for 1992. That would be my area to get a buy in. So I would have to wait for that. So guys, there's 15. That's where I want to look at. 15s. Not the best momentum there, so that's what I'm just a bit worried about. So it's on the 15, if you want to say, a bit more concerned, but definitely can see something happen, guys. If this candle can still close bearish, then I think, yeah, this pullback's golden, because then you've almost found a little bit of support, tried to come back, hit resistance, and close bearish again. So yeah, I think if this can happen, we are very, very good, yeah guys. But I'm not in a trade. I'm very close, like I want to enter here, but I don't have an entry confirmation, guys. That's my only problem. I don't have an entry confirmation to take the trade, yeah. So we just need this to still close below here, and yeah, definitely could see something happen here. If this starts closing above, then it might have just been a bit of a drawdown, and then we'll continue to the upside. DXY though, having around, trying to fight back. Gonna enter for sells or just wait? Like I said, bro, you could enter for sells here. Now that's my thing. Like, if this holds, I would love to enter for sell here, because it's kind of back at that you've hit resistance, you can kind of enter again, but I don't have an entry criteria. So this is those times where I've got to be disciplined. Like, if it happens, it happens. But yeah, it's a cuck one, guys. And again, the biggest thing for me right now is on the higher time frame. This 15 gave us what we wanted, but this thing's starting to turn around again, so that's becoming a bit of a problem. Yeah, so if this 5 kind of closes something like this, yeah, that's a bit of a shit one. Okay, bro, I hope to have your discipline one day. No, bro, sometimes it's a blessing and a curse. I think I've also just learned it over time. Like, I've blown so many accounts trying to just enter here, enter there, enter this, because I'm like, oh, it has to sell here now, it has to do this now, it has to. And there's those times you will just get, the market's going to turn around now and just hurt you. The market woke up today and just chose violence. So you got to be careful. Just close like that and it's okay. I'm happy with that. Literally just close like that and I'm okay. Then there still could be a sell coming here. I did that yesterday and blew away my whole weekly profits. Yeah, like you see, guys, that's the thing. I understand it's cuck to see the trade. Like, we called the buy and we had to watch it run. I now want the retrace, and if this thing does start turning around, it holds resistance and sells, but I can't get an entry here. So that's my problem for now, guys. I knew when I wake up I'm not trading news, and that's the thing. That's actually a good thing. Like, have your mindset there. And because I was talking about this morning, if I wake up and I go, I'm not trading news, I'm not doing this, when news happens, when this happens, like, it's easier for me to not have FOMO, because I know I was never expecting to be part of it. I wasn't ever planning to be. So that's a good thing. Hey, there we go. That's a nice closure. But again, can carry on. The thing is, again, that's what I say, guys, like, when these type of candles will start opening, you want to be watching the 15. This 15 needs to keep that bearish momentum. If this thing starts flipping, like I was saying, then gold's going to continue. That's why I say, because if this thing starts flipping at this point, remember I said 2000 is the key area you want to watch it. So this thing needs to close bearish, then the next candle's opening like down here, then you're good. But if this is in this area, remember, this thing just needs to do that. It's back above the 2000 zone and this thing's like happy again. So that's the problem, what you got to watch out for. That's why I'm saying I can't enter there, because you're in such an area that this thing can literally just flip again. When you're gonna enter, bro, I'm not gonna enter this. I said I'm not going to. I can't enter this, guys. Can it range forever now again? Basically, like we said, I don't think it's gonna range. I'd like to see a pullback, even maybe to the weekly key level, even like 1994, about half of what this candle was. So yeah, and then you could almost have that find support again and turn around to continue bullish. So no, I don't think it can range, or it's gonna range forever. But yeah, you just got to keep an eye on it for now. But it is a pity we can't get a trade in here, guys. I would have loved to. Keys, where did you learn to be disciplined like this, bro? Truly speaking, I respect your discipline. Shit, bro. You really taught me something even my mentor doesn't have. Keep it up, Keys. I really appreciate it, bro. But yeah, it's like I said, it's just you want to protect your funds. It's Friday. You don't want to go into the weekend being like, oh damn, like I could have had like a great week. I could have had a great weekend. Now I'll lose everything, and I go into the weekend like, damn, like really, like why did I do that? Why was I so stupid? So again, like I said, this is the 15 year. The reason I say, guys, is I don't want to say sell, because I know if I enter, I know you guys enter, I know a lot of you guys over leverage, and I'm worried it's so close. Yeah, this thing does that and continues up. That's all I'm worried, because this is a news day now. There is that influx in the market. So on the higher time frame, this thing can definitely still flip, and I don't want to say enter now and it flips. You know what I'm saying? So I'm happy to sit out. I knew my game plan. I wanted to catch this. I said to you, I'm bullish on gold. I want to catch the buy. I didn't get the pullback. Cool. So I'm not worried that I don't catch the sell. That was never my plan to catch the sell. Would NYSE still affect the markets? 100% will, bro. So literally also 4 o'clock New York session. That's the thing. Volume's still going to come in from New York session. Volume's still going to come in from PMI. There's still a lot of volume that's going to come to the markets. Yeah, check USD. It's in a powerful zone if I'm not wrong. Okay, guys. Again, I don't check other markets in New York session. It's not that we're there. If we are watching something, yeah, we watch this. Because there's lots of time people ask me to watch, move, or watch something else, and we've been watching for a move somewhere else. We come back, we miss the move. So yeah, I don't mean to be rude, but we've discussed it on the channel. We agreed as a channel, if we are watching trades, yeah, I'm not watching other markets. My 3 markets I watch is gold, US30, and Nas. With your keys, I'll wait for the news, let market settle, and then catch a few pips after confirmation. Exactly. See you guys, because now this is what I was saying to you. Like, there, you've got 30 seconds left. This can close like this now, and poof, gold is bullish again. Literally like that. That is what I was worried for, guys. Literally before you blink, and there gold is bullish again. That is what I was worried about. That's why I tell you guys not to sell there. Dollar is turning bullish though, but again, as we know, dollar and gold are not really in correlation at the moment. So if we see even US30 still continuing up, Nas continuing down, so Nas looks to be in correlation still with the dollar. So US30 can be still on a little bit of a high and then crash a little bit after that. But DXY trying to make a comeback. Gold is gonna fight now, but oof, it's gonna be a bit of a losing battle, I think. That is just my personal thoughts, guys. Can gold make a little bit of a fight here for us? But as I say, guys, that's why I literally, as I said to you, that's why I'm not entering it. Because as I called it, there it closes like that. So 100% now you guys can see, not that I don't want to take a trade, I've just seen this happen too many times. US10Y still dumping too, bro. I have no clue what that is. The pullback in gold was the pullback in gold was 50% of the 15 candle. Was it? Close. It was close. But we're gonna wait, guys. Hopefully we can get a trade. Just because you guys also keep asking, you can see I'm not in any trades. There's nothing running. So I want to take a trade, guys. Trust me, I really do. I really want to take a trade. But we are patiently waiting here. I honestly always get amazed, guys. Like, am I the only person, or you guys also get confused when people message you and I have no clue who the hell that person is? Like, where do you people get my number from? Hey, I told you last time, we're coming for it all. Alright, but no, guys, like I said, so I really hope you guys see I wasn't trying to just talk crap and not let you guys get a trade. Gold literally starting to turn, so 100% that's why we didn't jump in on that. If we can start getting a bit more of a break again over here, maybe then we can see that flush come and we can go for it. But I am bullish on it, so again, long term, if we can start seeing that momentum come, maybe we get in for the continuation buys. Patience keys, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna quickly, sorry, we're gonna go through the chat here. Going to the 10-year more than DXY. Oh, okay, I know what you're talking about now. Should we only look for longs or shorts after such a negative news for DXY? It depends, guys. We have in 40 minutes another big news event coming out, so that can give a more different answer again. So 4 o'clock you've got actually New York session opening, and then you've got news coming out, so it's a bit of a tricky one, guys. That's why we've got a bit of rough waters to navigate here, but we'll find our way. Page in the key. Will you be looking for a weekly pullback for US30 or just a weekly juice box? So US30, as I said, guys, I'm actually very bullish on it. So if these things don't start to show any, like, these can just be, if you want to say, pullbacks. So you guys want to start selling, trick the sellers in and basically continue that momentum. So that's why moves like these I don't like necessarily jumping into afterwards. What's your bias on Nas? I am bullish on Nas. Yeah, I am bullish on Nas, guys. Gold, looking, as I said, if gold can actually break, yeah, because in a way we've started forming a level of support. So if we can break that, guys, we can see us, there we go, we can see a sell come through after this. I'm not entering, guys. I just, again, because of how volatile markets are. Now you see, for me, like, that's the thing, guys, again, because of how volatile markets are, like, one candle can wick out my stop. So that's, again, something I don't necessarily like. But there comes the sell, guys. There she goes. We said we wanted that pullback. Hi Keegan, is there a coupon code I have to use when subscribing for my $5,000 challenge account? No, there isn't. you will just get an email later, man. Sorry, it's been a bit of a busy day, but there's nothing you have to use. You'll get an email with all the details for you, okay? Are you Chris from the Mr. Beast fam? No. But there we go, guys. There she crashes. There she goes. So, as I said, can have been the fake art, but literally there she crashes now. Thanks, no problem, Neil. Okay, let's see, guys. Can we get that pullback we want? Can we get our pullback? US30 still bullish. Nas also looking like it wants to drop off a bit. But looks like all the action is with gold today. Are y'all in London or South Africa, bro? We are in South Africa, my man. That's beautiful. Exactly, boys. It's always good, yeah, in South Africa. Okay, really, guys, I think we might have lost anyway, so we're gonna look for some other music, yeah. Get the vibes going. Why is everything like relaxed music, relaxed music? Let's see it, guys.
Companies of all sizes use.
No, we don't hear about people's companies. What can we find? Yeah, we want the vibes, guys. What's this like? Is it just me, guys? All these things are so boring. And there, gold mounts, guys. There we go. There's a 1992 level. There we go, guys. There's that pullback we wanted. Can we get in now? Let's see. Are you going to enter? I want to enter. We're just waiting, guys. We need a little bit of confirmation before we just enter randomly. I'm not going to catch a fall enough. DXY not doing anything. Gold, okay. Insane words, sir. Change lives. I hope you keep it acceptable for everyone. There we go, guys. This is what we wanted. These are the levels we wanted to go to. Okay, back at monthly levels. Yes, guys, did we not call this sell? Hey? That's us. Let's see. Gold only. There's nothing happening on US30 and Nas, so I'm just doing gold. Yo, let's see guys, can we get in here? Let's see what we're looking at, higher time frames. Yo. A lot can happen here guys, a lot can happen here. A lot can happen here. Are you going to enter? I really want to enter here guys. I'm thinking Asia highs, so if we can get another closure close to Asia highs, I might go long off there. I might go long off of there. Let's just see how this 5-minute closes first. See how we can close here guys. Let's see. Yeah bro, I want to take a buy, even if it's like 0.5%, like a quick one. Like I'll do like something like a 0, like almost like a 5 pip type of thing, just to go in quickly and see what happens. Just like a little dab at it, you know. CAD red follow, okay bro, okay. I don't really care about CAD though, so appreciate it, but yeah. I just made $350 in 2 seconds from the mini fall. Yeah, it was crazy. Okay, 5 minutes closing up pretty high, above the monthly key level. Let's see if we can get a retest. So let's see here guys, let's see. Let's see so US30 gonna sell? I don't know guys, I'm not watching US30. All the action here is on gold. Why is CAD news related to gold, bro? Just let me know that. Watch. Okay. So my thing is, guys, again, I'm not gonna say anything, but I'm not being rude, but you know what, guys, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. We'll see. Because I took a selling gold and it just hit TP. Holy smokes, how is cash related, bro? I don't know. Ask Christopher. It's going up. As I said, guys, I want to take it a buy there. You could definitely take one there. Take a little half shot at it. But I want to wait for market open. They're so close now, so I'm just wait for market open. Focus fully on gold, chat. We're not looking at other pairs. Can we buy now? I just want to have a little bit more of a pullback, guys. I know we're waiting here. So if you could get more of a pullback, I'd want to. But I love this, bro. I love you, my man. This guy's on the nail. Yeah, volatility is very, very high, guys. So the reason I don't want to enter is my usual stop loss will literally be tapped out in one candle. That's the only reason I'm like a bit hesitant here. As I said, I've had a very, very good day, so I don't need to do anything here. If you guys want to be ballsy, 100%, I do see the buyer. I told you there, I saw the sell, couldn't get an entry. I told you there, that would be my entry, but it just ran. Yeah, same thing. I see the buy, but I'm not getting confirmation. I can't just take it, guys. That's gambling. As I said, I've got my trades. I'm up. I don't need to be stupid and risk something here that I don't need to. Don't rush, because we are going to make the same mistake as you. Exactly, bro. That's what I say. I'm not rushing. I'm not gonna do something stupid and you guys go fall for it as well. Go Muhammad today and buckled up. We don't gamble. Yeah, exactly, guys. Exactly. Remember, we got market news coming and PMI, so literally no stress there. So again, I just want to check something. Yeah, let's go Forex factory, guys. You won't need a helmet if you take your time and snap that trade. 100%, guys. Oh, Christopher, my brother. Your CAD news came out at 2:30. So I don't know what CAD news you are waiting for, bro. So, watch, as you said. This isn't Chris. I'm sorry. What's your name? It's Keegan, my brother. Chris is in the background setting up our 2.0 office, so that's why they're not here. Everything, we have a full stage production going on here, so we'll be ready to rock on Monday. A whole new improved software quality, sound, everything. Keegan, Keegan. So Chris is literally standing right behind me. They're busy setting everything up. So we literally look like, I promise, I wish you guys could see this. This looks stupid, how hectic our setups are. This is meant to be an office and we've turned into a full-on stage production. Thought Canada impacted gold and USD with red folder. Also learning, yeah, it's a pleasure, my brother. All good. As I said to you guys, 100% you standing, wanting to learn. I also understand with my brother in Christ who tried to tell me gold was a sell today, and the minute I asked him how that sell went, I haven't heard from him or seen him again today. So I don't get why guys come here and want to challenge me, and let's chat about it. If you have a valid reason, let's chat. But that's it. CAD is related to US oil. That is correct. That CAD is related to oil. Shot for the core keys, we enter. Bro, as I said, you guys 100% can. Like I said, I'm very, very strict on my entries. For the guys that have been here long enough with me, you'll see, you know what, I might not take a trade every day. But when I take a trade, we get banging trades. So, I know we don't trade every day, and that for me is the reality of it. I try to show people and teach people that. But when we do enter, we will walk away with winners, and that again is why we have, I think, a 7 win streak today with something like 11R for the week. Last week we had something like 14R. Even though we took two losses of 1% each, we still had a 14R win. So we aren't good yet, and that's why we were just being very careful. I wasn't challenging, I just mentioned another red folder so we don't just get into it. No, bro, I don't mean like challenging like that, bro. I mean, you were still very chilled about it, but you get a lot of guys in the chat that will literally say, like, I've come in here and they take myself on, they take Chris on, and I think we always just say is like, if you know so much, why are you here? But no, yeah, you were chill, bro. I get you saying you're trying to make sure we are aware, but yeah. I took a feeler buying gold 98.8 on the last 5-minute candle, bro. Like I said, gold is gonna fly, but she'll go back up to that 2,000. So for me, if we get back 2,000, I'll actually like to take a trade there. What are you aim for usually? I like a 1 to 3. So a 1 to 3 normally. On the stream, we've actually been doing a lot of 1-to-1s lately. Purely just to show guys that whole consistency. That you can take the little 1-to-1s, but you have 6 trades in the week, you've made 6R for the week, even though you've just chipped away 1-to-1s. Because it's a lot easier to hit a 1-to-1 than hit a 1-to-3. So that's just something we've been trying to teach guys on the stream here, like a different approach to the market, if you want to say that. But it's been good. Do you think, man, you're a sniper? It's a marathon, not a race, guys. 100%. I think I'm going to trade with you all from 8:30 p.m. because I learn a lot with you guys. 100%, bro. The more the merrier. We love having you guys here. Some oaks come in hard, literally, bro. It was super chilled. Like, from Monday, I'm going to start good. We all want the same thing, to take money out of the markets. Exactly, guys. So I don't want to take quick trades because I have FOMO or something. As I said, I've got to the point I don't really get FOMO on the markets. We were talking about the other day, and I said to guys, I think FOMO comes when it's the first time like people get hyped up about CPI, and then they're like, oh damn, like check out this thing, it flew, that could have been like 6R for me, like what happened? Bro, NFP is once a month. You can catch next month. You still got CPI this month. You can catch CPI. There's CPI for the pound. There's CPI for the euro. There's CPI. So you've already in this month, you've got like 8 shots to catch another move like that. And I think that's when I started realizing there's no need to have FOMO, guys. Like, there's no need. Buys at 2,000. Yeah, so for me, once we are above 2,000, if we can start now, because again, the thing is about this, guys, we've started to build an area of support and price action. So this is very good because, for example, if we get above here now, and there's gonna be a lot of drawings, we get above there, okay, we've now got bullish momentum again. Same thing. Now what happens once we get above here? Okay, we're there, we now buy, we hold this as support. You've now got a nice low level. That's your last level of resistance. So your stop loss can be nice and low like here, because if that starts breaking, you know you're already out. So you've got a nice price action area. You just have to get above here. Here's your highs. So again, you know, if I start rejecting off here, I can close out. But if I break above, it's flying again. So for me, as much as it looks very simple, it creates a lot more probable moves for us moving forward. Okay. 7 minutes USD global service PMI. Yeah, bro. So we're definitely waiting for that. That's going to be a big one as well. Hashtag facts. Facts, Mike. Keys. Something like this will have what? Something like this will have any impact. Yes, it will have a very big impact, bro. So PMI is your post-manufacturer index. So that's basically what that is basically the interest rate at what factories are given. So if guys don't know that, your interest rate that changes, so you get a consumer's interest rate and you get a producer's interest rate. So they get different interest rates. So obviously if your PMI comes out, now this is a key one, I'm going to drop you guys a little hint. If PMI comes out higher, what do you think CPI is going to come out as? If PMI means producers interest rate came out higher, logically, what do you think that means for consumers interest rates? They also need to come out higher. So you see, guys, that's when we're talking about fundamentals. You start piecing things together, you start breaking it down, it becomes very, very simple. Kijo Diamond, bro, doing this for free. I nearly blew my account on UK100 and gold has just saved me twice. Thank you, bro. Such a pleasure, my man. I think gold is going to sell big on the 4 o'clock. It definitely could, guys. That's why I said at the moment it's just producing bearish again. So that's the thing. What we are waiting for is what I said. Once you back above, yeah, you've now turned bullish again. If we still trade in, yeah, we are still bearish. This can again be just a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You see what I mean? So order flow, you are still very, very bearish. So that's what we're just going to wait for over there. Okay. This is my first profitable week in my life. I started watching the stream since Monday. Thank you. It's such a pleasure, bro. I hope to see you around more often. Where is Chris with the whiskey shots? No whiskey shots. Man, this morning trade with Chris was a banger. No, it was, guys. For those that held, I know Mo Money is sitting there hating it, but that thing went and hit full TP. You see, guys, even Mo is not feeling the FOMO. I think Chris Mo got very lucky though. Being around us, he's really got to fast track everything, but we are very proud of him. Higher CPI, higher. Exactly, guys. CPI would be higher. If PMI comes out higher, CPI will most likely come out higher. So again, there's a lot of other things you take into consideration, but that's almost like a first one. It's a very, very big tick off on that box. So when you look at so there's 4 big ones, guys. If you're gonna look at interest rates, okay, FOMC, they decide what the rate hike is going to be, and they did a hawkish, so they're bullish, meaning higher. Unemployment rates, what was unemployment rates? Higher. NFP came out higher, which meant dollar weakness, gold bar, so that was higher. So CPI, now you need PMI. If PMI comes out higher, all 4 things that determine interest rate this month came out higher. So it's a very, very simple one for what CPI is going to do. It's interesting because the NASDAQ Chris did yesterday and today, we took basically the same setup and both were on point. That's the thing, guys. People, I always say markets don't repeat themselves, in the sense, I'm not going to see this literally stick and paste over here now. Okay? But I will catch the same setup later on. I'll catch a big push, some type of movement, a push down, break back above to break the structure and be bullish and enter for a buy. You'll catch the same entry drills the same time, but not necessarily the same exact trade. That's what I always say to people. Can you please look at US30, bro? Okay, we are not in a trade, so I will just quickly, because you guys keep asking. But again, I'm not trading US30 because of this. There's nothing happening here, guys. There's no volume. Volume will coming out market open, but for now there is literally nothing happening on these pairs. Where gold, look at this, we are having all the volume here. That's why I'm looking at gold. Bro, do you know how long you will be doing lives before the year ends? So we were actually talking about this the other day, guys. I go on holiday on the 15th. Me and my girlfriend, we go on holiday. So I will be out of office then. Chris is gonna be in office till the 22nd, I think it is. So I don't know if he's gonna take over. So we will actually still discuss that, how that's gonna happen. So there you go, guys, you heard it first. So from the 15th till the 22nd, that little bit longer, Chris will take over the New York session. I'll still tune in every now and again. I'll lurk in the chat to make sure he's looking after you guys, but he will be in-house, yeah, with you guys. And then I think only after that, when he goes on holiday, so I like the 22nd to, hold on, what day do we open office? So then, yeah, so it's just the 22nd to the 3rd. You guys will be without us. But I think, guys, that is a good time. Take a break from the markets. Be with your family. Be with your loved ones. Yeah, guys, there's a problem if you're still trading then. But, okay. Mo says you guys are degenerates if you're still trading then. But, there we go, guys. But we will make sure you're looked after till then. And then literally the 3rd, we will start it off right back as if we never left. But New York sessions will be 4 o'clock these days. Yeah, so from Monday, we are 4 o'clock, guys. So just remember that. We will, obviously, for those on the social medias, we will post in our update things on our stories. So you will see there that the time is different for 4. But yeah. Close gold early, damn. Oh, bro, were you in the bars? Nah, awesome, guys. Nas is taking off. Where's Nas going? Let's have a look. Only thing I don't like, guys, is market open still going to come in, and daily pivot and EQ is untested. So we definitely can see when markets open now, you can see dollar make a bit of a pullback. Nas and US30 have their pullbacks as well. Like as I said, I am bullish on them, but it is just very, very hard, guys. Like literally the whole day. You've Asia lows, Asia highs were tested once and then broke through. They were tested then in support and then they took off. So it's just very, very hard to see markets do this the whole day and then continue. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think Nas might have a bit of a pullback, but Nas really is taking off. Like that thing's gone. But Nas needed a day like this to turn bullish. After this now, Nas 100% has this bullish thing. But again, guys, I'll say you can't say there's not going to be a pullback because, like, look at this. This thing looks like a blue dildo. It's just useless, guys. There's going to be a pullback at some stage. US30 is holding off the R1, so we'll just check on that one. Okay, so there we're starting to form the structure now. You see, guys, doof, 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 very, very similar. So I don't just want to say a sell again. This would be crazy if this thing sells again now all the way down. That would be madness. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. Thanks for helping us with FOMO, guys. It just makes trading NYSE and stress free. Love the energy there, Keegan. Blue dildo. It is, guys. I think it's just yo. Is everything ready now? Have you even tried the camera yet? See what the quality is like? Remember I said, I know that camera's not bad for photos, but I've never really used it. This literally looks like some stage production. Like, you know, if we had like a full-on stage, this was now that like back room that's managing the sound and lighting. Guys, where's Jay Rizza? I know he's sitting in office with the guys live here. What did they do? Any of you guys here in the chat? Did you guys take a trade? You guys just been... Bro, no ways. If this gold sells again for a third time, this is gonna be mental. Like, this is what I was talking about, guys. Gold is just hurting people today. Like, if you're a scalper, you are milking it. But, yo, if this thing sells again... This is gonna be crazy, guys. Market's out for blood. Bro, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. But this time, okay, if this thing really sells, guys, I swear I'm jumping over the bar with you guys now. If this thing sells again, oh my word. Okay, this thing needs to break structure though. Then you're good for another sell. Hold on to your peaches, 100%. I managed to catch 98.7, holding on to my seat. Bro, did you buy from there? 1980. Yes, it's my cousin. Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Bro, what time frame are you on that you say head and shoulder? This is like a disabled man. There's only like one head and one shoulder. Knees and toes. Five-second time frame. Oh, I see. Well, I can disable. I'm jumping between the 15 and the 5-minute, guys. On the back here in the watermark, you'll see the number. That's the time frame. But I'm jumping between 5 minutes and 15. Like I said, if this can break here, we can be in a bit of bearish momentum again. So this should just be naughty if we go for another sell, guys. Oh my word. That would just be bad. But I feel like being bad, guys. Okay, who feels like another sell there? I might say I want the buy though. So maybe I'll wait for the sell and we get the buy again like this. Chris was like a kid in a Christmas show. Stop the back and forth, like let's just take the plunge. Alright guys, there's no demo trading. Yeah, the boys went full in. I'm scalping sell, bro. What are these markets even? We literally, again, like third time. Like if you guys are scalpers, I said you're milking this. But again, all we wanted was a break here. Now this thing wants to run without us. Oh, that's not too bad actually. No, but literally trend, that's spot on, bro. The fact, 5 minutes, yes, you can look for the sell, but 5 minutes you got news coming out. So, very key thing. I won't enter now 5 minutes before news. It's a sell to trap the second move long. Ooh, that could be. I'll teach nation that. Red card. Oh yeah. Oh Chad. What is going on here? I think we're going to test last week's high. So long buys for me. Yeah, so that's what this white line over here was. Eh? I think that was my, yeah. No. Yeah, it is. Yeah, 1992. That's last week's high. So this over here. So it is very, like, that's why I said originally 1992 was what I wanted to retest. So we're going to see, yeah, if we get it. Can we get it, guys? Can we get it? Let's see, US30, Nas. Yo, guys, you don't understand how bad I see something like this. Like I'm just going to sell. Like you are gonna get one my level pullback, but I can't tell you when. That's the problem. Can you explain what you're waiting for? I am waiting for news, my brother. We got news in 2.5 minutes. So I'm not going to enter right before news. So we are just chilling out here as a fam. Come on guys, 250 viewers, 166 likes. It's been a goodie today. Let's get those likes to 200 guys. We are vibing out here. We need some like proper music guys. Coffee shop, relaxing beats. Let's go, yeah, let's go see what the coffee shop's about. I'm gonna see you. W's. That's it guys. W's in the chat. Here comes the sell. Come on. Just give it to us. I must sell so we can buy. I think YouTube has a royalty-free music library. It does, bro, but the problem is it's such boring music. Like, it's so crap. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's so crap. I did a short on gold 1909. Imbalances, yeah, bro. That is, but as I said, it was a good one. But I'm just waiting for market open and news. Might have some hidden bangers. Broke my keyboard again. The guys bringing the vibes here. Come on guys, can we get the viewers to 300? I think that would be insane guys. If we could get 300 viewers today, that would be absolute madness. That would be crazy guys. Share it to your brother, your auntie, your uncle, your mother, your son. Just grow the Peach family here. The US30 buy till 34,100. 34,100. Yeah, you could, bro. Definitely could. Nas, I think, might also start slowing down soon. Let's see what happened. Ooh, dollar going taking shots again. Dollar taking shots again. Dollar just can't get a break today. Yo, good brother. Ooh. $2 PM news. Let's just see what happens here, guys. Girl, gold just can't get a break today. Peace out, guys. See you next week. Peace, Nation. See you next week, my brother. Have a safe one. I swear the music just keeps getting worse, guys. $2 PM USD, so that PMI. Come on. Give us the bar. Oh, US30 and Nas should start turning around. If dollar starts making a comeback here, guys, we should maybe see the pullback of US30 and Nas. So we might get something here still. Maybe we still get something here, guys. Oof, I would love something, guys. I'd love this to turn bullish now. I really, really would. Worse than expected. Oof, I really would love Nas to turn bearish now. Like, yo, guys, you don't understand how much I would. Oh. Yo, Normative in the service sector expanded. Okay. Come on, guys. Can we get the sell? Can we get the sell? I might take a shot at this, guys. This one I might take a shot at. It's gonna be naughty, but I might take a shot there, guys. So I'm giving you a heads up. Giving you the heads up. I might go short here. We can close here. I'm gonna go short. Just gotta get a little more of a push down. And then I'm in, guys. Is it a sell? It's a sell. It is a sell. I gave the signal. Come on. Just stay there, guys. Stay there. Give it to us. It's overbought. Fake volume, lol. Come on. I just want to pull back now because this is a bit too much. Okay. Can give me a little bit of a pullback. Okay, guys. Well, I'm in. I'm gonna risk 0.5%. Yeah. I'm gonna risk 0.5%, guys. I'm gonna take a swing at it. Let's see. What was the entry it gave me? 10536.29. Short. Oh, aim for down there, guys. 30 pip. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Can we get it, Chad? Can we get it? See if it gives it to us. Let's see, guys. Come on. Let's see what happens there, guys. Let's see what happens. Come on. Give it to us. Let's get this push, guys. Let's get this push. Come on. We're 0.5% in. I'll take the shot. I am up like 2.5% for the day. So even if I just take an L, yeah, I'm still up 2% for the day. So I'm happy to take the risky one at this. But let's see. I'm short with you, bro. Where's TP on Nas? I'm short too. That's a long TP. Yeah, guys, this can be a beauty. This can be a beauty, guys. She's styling already. Come on. Come on, guys. It's time to get sweaty again in the chat, guys. Come on. Bleed, baby, bleed. See how can we finish the week here, guys. Ooh. Everything's turning around, guys. Nas trying to fight us here. From yesterday, too many people had shorts open overnight. I'm making cash jumping in and out. If USD correlates, then I'm in with you. Very sweaty. Sold a 5-minute wick on Nas. Alright, guys. As I said, I'm happy to take a bit of a risky shot at this. US30 playing there. Dollar making its comeback though, guys. So we just need Nas and US30 to come to the party here. We still gonna hold it here, guys. I'm still happy so far. Set an alert there. I just need to go to the bathroom quickly, guys. I will be back.
Chad. Yo, Keegan keeps the seat pretty hot. How's everyone doing? Double top US30. Keek said he wants a whiskey. We'll do a whiskey next week. Yeah, so everything's set for the new set. Basically purchased everything today, and oh, you guys, we'll do a little office tour next week. But everything is set. Everything has been bought. We're coming in tomorrow. Quickly do a dry run, and but yeah, this trade does not look too bad. Yeah, I don't know what Keek's his criteria is, but if I was you guys, this 15k level, I'll monitor that. And then also after that, if you can't clear this zone, very likely you're going to go back to session highs. Because markets don't usually just reverse off one single candle like that. The way markets usually reverse is something like this. And the reason I say that is because early sellers, it's going to go for their stops, and once it's taken their stops, then it will go to break structure lower. I think this is very similar to a SMC concept. But again, you've got all of this to be potentially corrected. So I would say you guys are pretty good if you form some type of support now, and the next 5-minute candle breaks that support. Yeah, look at pound yen. I told you guys. So this morning when we talked about it, I said if we're holding the 50 level, then we're obviously next going to the 80 level. And look at that. 80 had some resistance there, broke through. There was the retest of the 80. Then after the 80, you've got your round number right there. And then after that, your 20. And then after... So for those guys that held... Sorry. So remember I said on the daily, go to this morning's stream. When we took the trade, I said very likely we go back to the weekly highs. Quite easy in terms of ranges, but don't beat yourself up. If you look at it, we took the trade there. So this thing is up almost. So there was our target initially, 83 pips, 88. Chris, when your boys setting up Nightbot, I think from next week. Next week we'll set that up. We just first want to get the stream deck up and running. Well, not the stream deck, we just want our overall setup to be set up and in place. Those did the most. What's his TP on Nas? I think he's targeting this breakout level just before the NFP release. 14895. What time frame? This is a 5-minute time frame, brother. US30 short. Here's one thing that I'm noting. If you look at the 80, so while it's making new highs, 80 is actually losing strength. So price going up is actually not, there's no buying power behind it. I'm not 100% sure why Keegan took the short here, but even Nasdaq, you'll see that there, 4 o'clock, 80 dropped dramatically below that level. Right, Chad, there's that level I was talking about.
Don't miss.
Hey, yo.
Don't miss.
Right, Chad, I'm going to give over to Keegs. But yeah, I think awesome week. Thank you for everyone joining. But over to Keegs. This is his stream. It's not my stream. But we will see you guys next week, Monday. Keegs is going to come back on the deck, but I'll see you guys. I need to shoot out. So, peace and good luck, Chatadonia.
What's up, fam? Okay, guys. Just because the trade is more high risk, I'm actually already just going to go stop loss to break even. So, if this thing does turn around, well, just this. I love how, as we said, that this thing like is just aiming for my flipping stop loss. Alright, well, never mind, guys. We are out. Stop at break even. That was actually pretty ironic. That was actually quite funny. Yeah, that was pretty weird. Everything the soul can come still, guys, but yeah, that was pretty ironic how quickly that just happened. So going over to gold. Gogs. Ooh. Do we take gold? That we might do, guys. That we could do. Okay, can you see gold? Trade going smooth, yeah. Life comes at you fast, hold long. Yo, I actually really would like, guys, do we take the shot at gold? Nas, well, literally, guys, that was perfect timing to close out Nas. So I'm gonna delete this. We all know we're out at break even. I literally called it just before we went break even. But US30 gold. Oof, I really want to get in on the buy here, guys. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Think on my toes here quickly. Reverse head and shoulders on gold. Okay, guys. Where do you guys keep seeing these patterns? Reverse head and shoulders. I hate to... Guys, a reverse head and shoulders is this. That's a reverse head and shoulders. So where are you guys seeing this on gold? Because that's a reverse head and shoulders. I made 110 pips on scalp side and Nas. Thanks, keys. 100% bro. As I always say to you guys, don't have to hold your TPs to where I am. Reverse disabled, man. Oh my word, that is classic, guys. But no, yeah. Oh yeah, you guys flipping crack me up, eh? But hey, don't mess with my mic. Yeah. I'm gonna spit on Chris's mic. We got some proper setups here. Why is that where your mind goes? Alright guys, so this obviously breaking above there. You're basically gonna find that level. So what happened with gold, same thing now. If this thing can basically stay like that, this breaks below, can hold above, then you get a confirmation of the sell again. This time you actually then have price action to sell. That time we kind of just got lucky there. But yeah, resell on Nas. Yo, I'm also looking at the resell there, guys. I think it definitely is on the cards. Yo, guys, I don't know what you said. Hey, like I don't want to take a trade here. Like I really want to take this trade on gold. But something in me is like, don't do it. Don't do it. I haven't tried it yet. What's with the yellow knot? Oh. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. When it breaks, I'll shoot. Euro USD, alright. I'll look at it quickly for you since we're just chilling out here now. Euro CAD. Oh wait, I think that's my list. There we go, Euro USD. This could make a head and shoulders. So this over here, that would be a head and shoulders, guys. That is a literal example of head and shoulders. So if this pushes up, holds its resistance, then you can sell it off from there. So if that makes a head and shoulders, then you guys can sell. But on Nas, Nas, maybe we still get to sell, guys. We don't know at this point. Maybe we do still get to sell. US30 still there. The only thing I don't like, and that's why I say gold isn't really in correlation at this point, okay? But gold can just be spiteful and go for us now. But you know what, guys? I actually want to look at UJ. UJ, I've had my eyes on the whole day, and this thing has just been chowing me. So I want to see UJ. If I had to enter, oh, what's that? Enter there. I'd run a 15 pip stop. What would be a realistic 80 key level? Yeah, maybe I'll look at UJ, guys. Maybe I'll look at UJ, guys. You know what, guys? Yeah, I think I'm going to end it off there. On my other little private account, I think I'm going to just take a half shot at UJ. Literally just because I think this could be a runner. So, literally like very, very low risk on this trade. So, literally, as I said, very, very low risk. Like, nothing crazy. Just because I want this to be a runner trade. So I just want to confirm where my stop loss would be for the lot size I want. Let's say, guys, again, this is a runner trade, so something I'm literally going to leave, like, set and forget. APY. You know what, guys, I'm even gonna make it actually a little bit tighter. Like, this is gonna be naughty, but five, 6. Yeah, guys, so this is something I'm just looking at for now. Like I said, this is going to be a runner trade. So, yeah, this is literally going to be a runner, guys. I'm actually already going to go break even, guys. Alright, so I'm already going to go break even on this trade. Alright, so already break even. Yeah, guys, there we go. That's it. I'm calling it. Like, I'm leaving this as a runner, and that is me. After that, I'm not going to be anything else. Like, that's it. Take Euro USD short. It's going for a swing to the weekly lows. Nas is broke. How is USD going? Nas bleeding is usually on downtrend. Market moving now. Yeah, markets are really going to come into action now, guys. US30 sinking. There we go, guys. There goes Nas. So for those that were still in it, definitely could still look at something there. Gold, you can, but time wise, guys, I'm not going to. I've called my trades. I've got my long trade running, which I'll basically either be tapped at break even on UJ, or I will literally be out, and I will call it a weekend. But I'll close that tonight. But that is me, guys. I think we're going to call it there. Been a very awesome trade. I've loved the vibe, loved the energy we had today. We've killed the numbers, killed NFP. It just was a good one. I think a great way to end off the week. So I took 2 great shorts on Nas. There you go. For those that held those Nas trades, I mean, you are styling now. So there we go. But GBP AUD seeing double bottom. I don't look at GBP AUD. Firstly, I wouldn't trade either of them because they're both out of sessions now. So pretty pointless trading them. But have a great weekend, everyone. Be safe, enjoy it, rest well, take some time off of the market and the charts. And we'll see you guys bright and early, nice and sharp Monday morning. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep winning, guys. The Peach Army will only come back stronger. Peace and love, guys. Cheers.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.